Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels, to another episode of the flight of the Dragonfly. So on this flight I have something different. If you watched the last episodes, I had a prop that was wooden and 7x4. The recommended prop for this airplane is 5x5 prop, and it's electric. So I got 5x5 as well as 6x5.5. So on my last flight, which I did not record, I used this 6x5.5 pitch prop, and it flew great. So I just wanted to show you its performance with this one. It is very nice today, a little on the chilly side, but really windy. So it is from time to time the breeze is picking up, so I have to be careful. I set this to 3 different rates, so it's a 3-way switch. Right now I have it at 50%, then I have 75 and 100. So the takeoff I'm going to do at 50% and landing as well, and in the air I will just increase the throws, just make it a little more fun. So wish me luck. Final checks, everything good, low throws against the wind. I'll try to keep it close so you can see it. So now it's going against the wind. You can see just like it's going slowly, nicely, and no issues. And then it's coming towards us. It just like zooms by pretty quickly. And I'm going to set it to 75% throws now. Let's give it a little bit more oomph, a little higher. Oh, what was that? I did not do that. Oh, what was that? I did not do that. Oh, what was that? I did not do that. I don't know what it was. That was scary. This is not the first time. Oh, I'm not doing that. Okay, I'm going to land it. I don't know if it is a radio issue, but I'm going to bring it in for landing because I don't trust it now. Okay, one piece. I don't know why it's doing that. It did it a couple times. I mean, it's almost like does a complete roll all the way. Almost like the aileron got stuck. But that's scary. So I'm suspecting we had some interference in this area before. And there is, I think it's what's called a Doppler station. They may be blasting the skies with certain frequencies from time to time. I'm not sure if it's causing any issues with the receiver losing connection, but this is the FR sky, so I'm not sure if it is caused by that, but I'm not going to take the chance. So I had to cut the flight short. I'm sorry about that, but as I said, this combination of the motor, battery, and this ESC and the new 6x5.5 prop works great. So if you get one of these, make sure buying a 5x5 prop as well as the 6x5.5 electric tin prop. So this gives a lot of oomph. I mean, it's like if I let go, it's going to fly. So it has more than 1-to-1 power to weight ratio with this prop. And with this little BR 1806 2200 kV motor. So it's a good combination. They are inexpensive and you can find them from Banggood, all the pieces, parts. It's a cheap, fun airplane. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.